Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Alinga Sise of Herb and Harvest Organic Farm. For all of you who have subscribed to my YouTube channel, I am so grateful. And for those who are still new, please kindly subscribe to the YouTube channel. Click on the notification bell so that you never miss out any upload. Share this video, comment in the comment section down below, and I'll be so grateful. Guys, let us make this channel to reach 100k subscribers, and I'll be smiling. Today, I'm super excited. First of all, it's my son's birthday. Secondly, I want us to address a very serious issue in poultry farming, and that is the vitamin deficiency disease in poultry. This occurs when chicken do not receive enough essential vitamins in their diet, leading to health problems, poor growth, and reduced egg production. And by the way, different vitamin deficiency causes specific symptoms. So we are going to look at different vitamin deficiency and their symptoms and the organic remedies. So these organic remedies, you're going to give these birds early enough to protect them and prevent them to get some of this deficiency. The first one includes vitamin A deficiency, and the symptoms includes watery eyes, swollen eyelids, eye infection, poor growth, weaknesses. You realize that your birds will have pale combs, your birds will have pale wattles, they will reduce in egg production. Generally, the birds will be affected by respiratory issues time and again. Now, what are the organic remedies that you can give these birds early enough to protect them from getting this vitamin A deficiency? Or even when the birds are already affected, these are the organic remedies you're going to give to these birds. You can give them the pumpkin leaves, the papaya leaves. They are all sources of vitamin A. You can also give them carrots. It is rich in beta carotene. You can give them the moringa leaves. It boosts on the immunity of these birds. Okay, you can also give them the sweet potato leaves. Guys, let us really be consistent with these herbal remedies. Another vitamin deficiency is the vitamin D deficiency. You realize the birds have weak legs, soft legs, or bent legs. The birds have poor eggshell quality. The birds have slow growth and lameness. And then what are the remedies for this? You can provide them with sunlight, like you expose the birds to direct sunlight. It is the the best natural source of vitamin D. You can give these birds the moringa leaves. It provides calcium and vitamin D. You can give these birds mushrooms. You will dry it very well, crush it, or grind it and mix with their feeds. It will help solve the problem of vitamin D deficiency. And then the third one is vitamin E deficiency in our birds. The symptoms include uncoordinated movements. You realize head twisting. You realize birds have paralysis, muscle weakness, low hatchability in eggs. So if your birds are not hatching well, especially these local birds, just know they might be lacking vitamin E. You realize sudden death. Your bird just falls down and dies. That bird might be lacking vitamin E. What are the organic remedies that you can constantly give these birds to at least help them from this? You will give these birds sunflower seeds. You can give them the spinach because it supports on the muscle health. And for those who are not using the herbal remedies, you can give the vitamin E supplements. You can also feed your birds with the wheat germ. It also helps in this deficiency. Another vitamin deficiency is the vitamin K deficiency. The symptoms include the blood spot in eggs. Whenever you see lots of blood spots in your eggs, please let us not ignore that. Your birds might be lacking vitamin K. Birds will experience internal bleeding. There will be poor blood clotting in your birds. Your birds might get hemorrhoids. Those are the symptoms of vitamin K deficiency. Now, these are the organic remedies that you can give these birds. You can give them the alfalfa. You can give them the kale. You can give them spinach. They are all natural sources of vitamin K. You can give them the green tea leaves. It also helps with the blood clotting. You can give them parsley leaves. I've talked about all these herbal remedies here. We have all given them to the birds. I think that is why my birds are performing very well. So let us really be consistent with these herbal remedies. Another vitamin deficiency is the vitamin B1 deficiency. You realize the birds is very weak. The birds have paralysis. The birds do not have appetite. There is head retraction. That is the neck bends backward. The nervous system issues. Now, what are the organic remedies that you can give these birds? Feed the birds with the sunflower seeds. Give them the sesame seeds. It helps prevent the nervous issues. You can also feed your birds with the fenugreek leaves. It boosts on the appetite and also helps in digestion. Those are the organic remedies you're going to give to these birds. Another vitamin deficiency is the vitamin B2 deficiency. You realize your birds have curled toes, poor feathering, leg weakness, or paralysis. You realize slow growth amongst your birds. What are the organic remedies? You can give these birds spinach. You can give them amaranthus. You can give them the basil leaves. They are all very good for these birds. Okay. You can also give them mushrooms. You will dry it, crush it, mix with their feeds if it is available. Another vitamin deficiency includes the vitamin B3 deficiency. You realize your birds have leg deformities. They have swollen joints. They have poor growth. They have poor feathering. You know, this poor feathering is very common, okay? And then what are the organic remedies? You're going to give these birds turmeric. You will give them ginger. You will give them fenugreek seeds. It supports in the metabolism. Then the ginger and turmeric, by the way, also helps with the joint health. So those are the organic remedies you're going to give to these birds. Another vitamin deficiency is the vitamin B6 deficiency. The symptoms include poor growth, poor egg production, the nervous disorders, muscle spasm, and the organic remedies that you're going to give these birds is garlic and onions because they improves on the muscle strength. You're going to give them also spinach. It provides essential vitamin B. You're going to give them banana peels. It is also high in vitamin B6. Okay, we've talked about all these herbal remedies, and Alinga has given all these herbal remedies to her birds. And then another vitamin deficiency is the vitamin B12 deficiency in our birds. And some of the symptoms includes poor growth, anemia, reduced egg production, among others. The organic remedies that you're going to give to your birds is the fermented foods. Last time we fermented the banana stems here. It is very rich in vitamin B12. You will give them the moringa leaves because it boosts on the energy and the growth. And then lastly, we have vitamin C deficiency in our birds. And the symptoms include stress among the birds, weak immunity in our birds, slow healing wounds in our birds. If a bird gets a wound and it cannot heal so easily, that bird might be lacking vitamin C. Now, the organic remedies that you're going to give to this bird is the lemon water because it contains natural vitamin C. You will give them the hibiscus tea. It reduces on the stress in our chicken. You will give them the guava leaves. It also improves on their immunity. Those are the vitamin deficiency that we have that brings a lot of complications in our birds. So the only thing that I want us to know is that if we continuously give these birds different herbs, trust me, our birds will not suffer from all this deficiency. And if you can see, it is the one causing so many diseases in our poultry farms. So for someone who is consistent with these herbal remedies, like Alinga here, you realize that my birds do not suffer from all this deficiency. So that is why I will say, let us be consistent with our herbal remedies. So let us go in our chicken house and do a few things, and then we shall call it a day. See you right inside the chicken house. So guys, these are the eggs that we finally collected, but it looks like our birds are going back to 10 trays, because if you can see, come close and we'll count. These are the trays of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and this is the 10th one, and this is just 2 p.m. and you can see we are left with only like 13 eggs to make it to one tray. And remember, we have 325 birds. Now, someone sent me a comment in the comment section asking why is that my birds are performing very well and yet my birds are so crowded. And now they are almost making 1 year in laying. Actually, they're making 1 year on the 16th of this month, okay? But the truth is, okay, the houses seem to be crowded, but just because of the bags of those manure that we still have, because the guy failed to come and pick them. He claims that we are still waiting for the rainy season, okay? But also, I'm so consistent with my herbal remedies, and then I also feed these birds well. I make sure they have clean drinking water. That is how I've managed to raise these birds like this up to this point when they are still performing very well. But I think all of us out there, if we can only feed the birds well, give them clean drinking water, and we are so consistent with the herbal remedies, honestly, our birds are going to perform well. And truth be told, these are birds that I don't give them any modern medicine, only the organic or herbal remedies, okay? And we have all been following the birds very well, and the birds are still performing well. So let us wait for the next 6 months how the birds are going to perform well. But otherwise, thank you so much for watching. That is all I had for you for today. Thank you so much. And if you're still new, please consider subscribing to the YouTube channel. Click on the notification bell so that you never miss out any upload, guys. Let us make the channel to reach 100K subscribers, and I will be so grateful. See you next time. I love you all. Bye bye.